Hello everyone, it's time for a very tiny unboxing video, and I'm going to be doing another video because, well, hopefully everything was going to be working out fine, but if there's going to be two videos then something went wrong. So if I have not made it clear, there might be two videos depending on if things fit correctly, but I'll show you what I got. This is the first one. And it is a brush that I intend to use in my Dopp Kit. Let's see. There you go. Now this is supposed to be another yaqi defect. So it's of course going to be cleansed with some hand soap. But let's see how it looks and how it performs. It being a defect and costs 1/3 of the price, but usually yaqi brushes that are defect work just fine. Right. It's actually quite taller than I initially imagined. Soft backbone, 24mm knot. Looks great in my opinion. So this goes straightly into Dopp Kit. Very nice to fit in your travel. I don't see anything wrong. It says that this was a defect on the handle and not the brush at all. I don't see anything wrong with it. So I don't quite know what it's called when you buy defect brush from Yaqi. It's not stated what the name is, other than there's a photo of it. That's it. But yeah, a soft backbone, but usually it's not an issue. Whips of a leather, great nonetheless. So, package 1, parcel 2. So now it's open, and it's kind of for decanting aftershaves. Bought from AliExpress. These tiny small funnels. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 different funnels, roughly the same size. Hopefully they can fit into a small aftershave bottle to be decanted in. So put them aside. There's something else in the parcel as well. This will be, should be a handle. I believe that Robert, I don't remember your YouTube name right now, Robert, sorry, but Classic Robert Shaving, what's your YouTube name? It's not that any longer. Sorry, I've forgotten it. But you have a Lemonwald, no, sorry, like that, Lemonwald razor handle, and you quite enjoyed it, so I have one as well now. So let's see how it looks. Comes in this presentation here. It's good that I'm alone here. All the mess is down here, you know. Ooh, quite a hefty, short-handled, nice one. Seems to be quite okay. The knurling is quite protrusive, and I like that. It's quite hefty. So we'll see if I'm able to fix my fatigue with this. Well, that was it for the unboxing, gentlemen. Or women. Whoever might be watching. So, well, again, if you don't want to watch the creation of the fix, you don't have to. But I'll hopefully see you on Saturday on my next shave video. Good evening.